Here we are at the FAMP Gold Coast Trade Show 2025, right here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, the heart of the mortgage industry. Your A&D Mortgage team is here in force to talk to our clients about all the great things happening in A&D Mortgage and to talk to them about the things that really matter to them: speed, service, and smart tech. People say technology is the new customer service. Do you agree with that?
To a certain degree.
Absolutely not.
Yes and no.
Steve?
Not at all.
Okay.
We need technology, CRMs, we need ChatGPT or whatever we can to help us, but we need that human interactions.
I think that technology is an absolute tool that you need to have in your master toolbox because it helps for you to be more efficient and it absolutely helps you to get to the end goal. But customer service is still a human thing. We need personal touch. We need more nurturing.
Yes, and the fact that you need to incorporate AI. You need to incorporate, faster systems for underwriting, for approvals. You do that, but nothing beats good old-fashioned relationships.
Okay.
I'm lucky I could turn on my computer. But the bottom line is I get so close with my customers that actually in the past twice, I've been asked to be godmother of their children. Right. That's how close I get with them, and that's what it's about. They're making their biggest purchase in the world. They want to talk to somebody they trust and you can't like a computer.
I think with technology, you can't be left behind. You have to have it. You have to be good at it. Mm-hmm. I think that leaving the human element behind is short-sighted, and mistaking that for efficiency or mistaking that for cost savings will eventually not always benefit the end user. Mm-hmm. It might work temporarily, but for a long-term solution, you and I need to have a conversation.
If you had to describe the mortgage market in just one word, and this is it for a PG audience, one word, how would you describe it?
Interesting.
Creative.
Creative, that's good.
Chaotic.
Because you don't kind of know what to expect, but there's been no easy loans, realistically. So I don't expect it to get easier, but I also expect it to get better.
We're facing a lot of challenges that we haven't seen in the past.
For sure.
However, some of them may seem similar to things that have happened in the past. Mm-hmm. And so I think that it is our duty to be very clear, paying attention to all the details and being creative with what is our next step.
A lot of things going on with the rates, and we don't know where it's going. Like in the last day or two, the rates have gone up or down a couple of times, depending on how the bonds are going. Mm-hmm. The whole tariff scenario has really caused a pullback a little bit on. It could possibly be positive on the rates, but then the rates go right back up if the market's so volatile. So I would say it's a little chaotic today.
Can you remember the last time you saved a deal at the last minute?
You're going to laugh. Actually, A&D.
Really?
For real.
Hey!
Okay, you know why? Because I had a condo, and I literally thought I was going to lose the deal, and you guys saved my deal.
All right.
Seriously, because of that stupid 10% deductible on insurance.
Right.
You saved my deal.
All right. I didn't even have to pay her for that. That's amazing.
No, you didn't have to pay me.
That was volunteer answer.
Happened.
Can you remember the last time you saved a deal at the last minute?
December 9th, I got a call from a lady who had been denied 6 times since May on a new construction, $1.4 million deal. Conditional approval she had, which was a DSCR, would never happen because the going rent was $6,000 and she needed $11,000 to pull this off. I ended up listening to her when she spoke, heard that she owned another property, did a cash out refi on that, made a bigger down payment. Instead of coming to closing with $400,000, she came to closing with $19,000. Wow. Instead of 8.75, she got 6.625.
Nice.
And we closed in 9 days.
Conversations like these remind us that behind every loan, there's a story. And behind every approval, there's an originator making it happen. At A&D Mortgage, it's not just about rates and tools. It's about partnerships, real partnerships that grow with you. Thanks to everybody who stopped by and had a conversation with us today. We appreciate the partnership and we appreciate your business. Thank you all.